Hello, friends. Welcome to Literary Concepts. So, today's topic is present continuous tense in our grammar topic. So, now let us try to learn more about the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is also known as is also called as present progressive tense. So, the present continuous tense is also called as present progressive tense. So this is used to describe actions that are currently happening at the moment of speaking. When we are speaking, so if anything is happening, understand. So such happenings, okay, such events, such scenes, such situations we describe in present continuous tense or actions that are ongoing. So the actions, the events which are ongoing, so which have started previously and continuing now also. Okay, so such actions also we express in present continuous tense, but not necessarily happening at the exact moment. So even that happening is not started at this moment, but it was started okay previously, but it is still going on now. So such situations or such actions we describe, we explain in, so we express them in present continuous tense. So the principle of the present continuous tense is, that is the formula of present continuous tense. So generally a sentence contains subject plus am, is, are. These are helping verbs. So am, is, are helping verbs plus V1, that is a basic verb. Okay, verb 1 plus ing form plus object. So this is the principle of present continuous tense, the formula of the present continuous tense. The sentence is formed in this as per this formula generally. So here in the table I've explained more clearly. So I am driving a car. See, I is a subject, am is a helping verb, drive plus ing form driving, object is a car, a car. So in the present continuous tense, whenever we are using I pronoun, then am helping verb we have to use. Okay, so in this combination, always we have to remember this combination, that I plus am. So I am driving a car. So I am working in a bank. I am reading a book. Like that, we have to tell, we have to express. Same, the third person singular, he, she, it. So whenever we find in the subjective position he, she, it, we have to use the helping verb is. Okay, so in the present continuous tense, so he is working in a bank, she is driving a car, it is reading a book. Like that, we have to express and we have to use is with these pronouns. Okay, the third person singular pronouns he, she, it. So this is a combination. And then, so am and is are singular in nature, but in plural. For example, in the subjective position, if we see, okay, the pronouns like we, you, they, then we have to use the helping verb are. So, according to this combination, okay, when the subject is plural, then the verb, the helping verb should be plural only. When the subject is singular, like I, he, she, it, then the verb should be singular only. So, we are reading a book, you are working in a bank, they are driving a car. Like that, we use am, is, are in the present continuous tense in sentences. Okay, I hope that you understand this table properly. If you understand this table properly, then the present continuous tense sentence structure is very easy. See, always with pronoun I, we have to use am. With the pronouns he, she, it, we have to use is. With the pronouns we, you, they, we have to use are in present continuous tense. So, and the note, so you have to do keep in your mind that a special mention. So, this particular tense refers to an action is in the middle of doing something. Okay, so this tense refers, so the action is already started, but it is in the middle of doing, so that it is continuing, it is happening. So the work has started, but not yet finished. So such situations we express in present continuous tense. The key words to identify the sentences, okay, regarding present continuous tense: now, at the moment, look, listen. So these are the key words to identify a sentence is in present continuous tense or not. Okay. So now let us try to understand the situations. So these are the situations. The first situation which we express in present continuous tense is when the action is going on or happening at the time of speaking. So while speaking, when we are speaking, so if something is going on, if something is happening, so such situations we express in present continuous tense. For example, I am reading newspaper. Vani is preparing for exams. We are working in a shop. Okay, so these are some of the examples. But in your real life, so you can also apply this that when you are speaking with someone, okay, if somebody is doing in front of you, understand if somebody is performing some sentence, okay, some actions, so you can express those situation in present continuous tense. The second situation is to express an action that will happen in the near future. So whatever the action is going to be happened in the near future, or to express a future action with the phrase going to. Okay, by using this phrase going to, we can express the future, the upcoming future actions, the future plannings, or whatever that we will do. Understand? For example, the president of America is visiting India shortly. So the president of America is visiting India shortly means it is a future action. So we can express it in present continuous tense. My friend is leaving for Paris next week. See, the next week is a future action, but we can also express it in present continuous tense. Understand? So, what are you going to do on Saturday evening? So, Like this, the second situation is, so we can express the future actions, the near future actions in present continuous tense. The third situation is so expressing about trends or changes. Trends means the new developments, the new tendencies which we follow in the society. Understand the new developments which are going on at present, or the changes which are happening at present in the world. So such situations we express in present continuous tense. Example, the climate is getting warmer. So the changes related to climate, okay, the climate changes every day, or okay, day after day, or even months. Understand? So we can express such situations. Understand? Whatever the changes are happening in the world. So the climate is getting warmer. More people are adopting electric vehicles. So that is a new development. So what does that mean? So adopting, so purchasing or uh, using electric vehicles nowadays is growing more. Okay, it's developing more and following more people. So that's why these two are the correct, perfect example for trends and changes. The fourth situation is temporary situations. So we can express the temporary situations in the present continuous tense. For example, I am living with my cousin for a while. So for a while, it is a temporary situation. So I'm living with my cousin for a while. He is staying at a hotel. He is staying at a hotel. So these are the four situations which we express in present continuous tense. Now let us see some example sentences which we come across in the competitive exams, or even in the normal, okay, uh, exams. Understand, in the 10th class or intermediate or degree, at the degree level also we get sentences like this: she dash a novel right now. So in the bracket, read is there. So we have to write the right answer. Is she is reading a novel right now. They dash football in the park. So in the bracket, the verb is play. So the right answer is they are playing football in the park. I dash not okay. I dash TV at the moment. At the moment. So in the bracket, not watch. So the right answer is I am not watching. So dash to the radio. So in the bracket, you listen. Are there? So we have to write it. Are you listening to the radio? The teacher dash the topic to the students. So in the bracket, we find the verb explain. So the right answer is the teacher is explaining the topic to the students. My friends dash to the party tonight. So in the bracket, we find not come. So the right answer is my friends are not coming. So why dash question mark? So in the bracket, he cried. So the right form of the verb is why is he crying? Why is he crying? So this is how So we will get to sentences as a forms of verbs in the examinations. So I hope that you understand the present continuous tense topic. So if you like this content and the matter, so if you think that this is useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.